And you're feeling okay going towards the top there, top of your range?
Yeah, I'm finding I still have a little bit of trouble fully opening up at home because I'm just conscious of people hearing around me. It's a bit stupid.
Yeah.
And I'm finding at them really high notes, I'm not giving it my all. I find myself pulling back a little bit.
Yeah.
But aside from that, I feel like it's definitely I'm able to get there, but I'm just not. I think nerves more than anything is stopping me from just belting it. And
you there's no simple solution with that, but you're just going to have to try to find a place where you feel comfortable belting it out.
Yeah.
The thing with the voice is what happens with the voice is that because it's a personal thing and people take it personally. Like if you mess up with your there's a perfect example of the Angry's guitarist. Have you seen that Angry's? So even his guitar teacher says he goes like, you're not stupid. It's your wrists.
Yeah.
And so he's going home. He's going, there's pippin' wrists. It's really not. It's still the same thing, but people don't take it as personally because it's also a guitar. So I can blame this thing here. So just man, we just got to basically do it, man. That's all it is, and people are going to get used to it. You know? Like I have guys out here warming up, and there are people walking down the mallway, and they don't even bat an eyelid anymore. It's just part and parcel of what goes on in this mall, and that no one cares.
No, and I just keep telling myself, so I'm like, fuck, and this is how I get to being a better singer. So I'm getting better. I'm getting there.
Yeah, that's just something that you're gonna have to work through, and everyone's is self-conscious like that. But you'll be okay. All right, are you okay? Do you want to revise that scale that we did last week?
Yeah.
You cool with that?
Yeah.
You want to quickly revise it? Let's go over that. So we'll start down here as arts. Good. Just probably bring the volume down a little bit. We're still in the lower part of the range, so you want to keep it like Jim Morrison down here. So it's arts, 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 arts. We're going to give it more on the first note. We're going to smile more on the first note. We're a little bit underneath the last two notes. So hear me. Arts. Better. Did you hear the difference there? Good. So
more on pitch.
Yeah. Watch that last note. That last note. That one was probably a little bit sharp, but I'll give you this. Arts. That's it. More smile on the first note. Good, Cole. Exactly. Let's say art. So I want arts. Arts. That's better. Arts. Arts. Good. Arts. Got a smile. Got to get on top of that note. Then I'm going to let you go by yourself. I'm going to put in a little sob. So it's hear that I've got in my voice. It's we are the, see my cry? I'm not going I'm not belting. It's we are the champions. So I'm going arts. That's better. That was a better sound. That last note was a little bit uncontrolled. Because we didn't tighten your stomach up enough. But I've got that written down for next week. I've spoken to you about a size 3 basketball. No. Okay. All right. I've got it written down for next week, or if not the week after. Okay. But I'm going to be that last note. Then you went arts because this wasn't supported enough. So we need to firm this up. Arts at the end, so your breathing's going to be pretty important. That's a size 3 basketball. Okay. Your normal size basketball 7. That's 3. If you're at a sports store and they've got them for sale for less than $15, buy one. Okay. Cool. If not, bring in $15 next week or the week after. And I've got 2 left down here.
Cool. Should be able to get one from Kmart. They're pretty cheap.
Yeah, good luck. It's got to be a basketball though, man. It can't be a soccer ball because soccer balls are softer and they're size 3 soccer balls actually smaller.
Yeah, that's cool.
It's got to be a basketball because I'm going to teach you how to diaphragmatically breathe in 1 minute. Okay, so I'm going to get it all down here. Proper singer's diaphragmatic breath.
Yeah.
Happening in 1 minute. So that's what we're going to do next week or the week after.
Cool.
Because that will help. Just what we did in that last note then.
Yep.
Okay. Arts.
Arts. Arts. Arts. Arts.
That's cool. That's cool. We're going to shoot it over the mirror. Okay, so I'm going to go over your head. It's so I'm just thinking I'm volleying it. Arts. Good. Excellent. That's great. So now I like a little bit more sob on it. So it's arts. That's it. Because it's just a better technique to do it like this. If we take the sob off, it's belting. There's nothing wrong with belting.
Yeah.
Everyone belts, but we just want to do it just for now. Arts.
Arts.
Excellent.
Arts.
Good, good. I'm going to do it. Arts.
Arts.
Oh, one more stop. There's the note we're going to raise. Arts. That's as loud as we need to do it at home. So you need to do it like that at home. That was pretty much perfect there. So you're just doing that. Well, look at yourself in the mirror when you're at home, Colt. We're getting a bit of neck action.
Yeah.
That's gonna disappear.
Yep.
Once we get your diaphragm working.
Mhm.
I got you to stick your hand in my diaphragm last week. Great. So you would have felt how that was working.
Yes.